Alright guys, so right now the logic is we're trying to go for this low, this one right here, this right here, and not guaranteed, but like guaranteed in quotation marks. We're gonna target this low right here because that was our other FRT. That all three charts have rebalanced. Oh, except YM actually. Interesting. So maybe it's not guaranteed. But yeah, never mind, take that back. But still, our bearish is narrative. I mean, our narrative is bearish. My bad. So we're still gonna be targeting this low, and I'm only gonna take a short in the premium price, which is this blue line of this 2-hour range. So this is the main OB. This is the second OB that I kind of want to see price respect, because what we see here is price made this right here and then made another OB right here, which I forgot to highlight, so let me highlight that. 15 minutes, let's go check it out. I think it was this right here, not gonna lie. Price never got to it though. Huh, that's interesting. I don't know. Maybe we should take a short up here instead. I'm not 100% sure, but any short above this blue line will be valid. And in 4 minutes, price will open. The reason why I say this one right here is because if we go to the 45-minute, price goes below that swing low, 45-minute, and I don't know. I guess we already used it. Yeah, by that logic. I think I'm gonna hold that from taking short until this level here. Because while this reaction is nice, I'm gonna be patient. And if I end up being wrong, I end up being wrong, you know? So Let's see. Just forgot I got there. Because even though, what's it called? This right here, I already got tapped in. Right here. And it gave a super big distribution. To me, it kind of I mean, yeah, we low-key don't see price kind of return to this. So maybe I think I will play this. I'm only gonna take the perfect entry. Yeah. So if and when price comes above here, we're gonna look for a short then. Market opens what'll happen. Okay, price is pushing now. What FRT was that in? Not a 30-minute. Not a 20-minute. Not a 15. Okay, I'm gonna just play this 10-minute then. Just hit the 0.25 of that 45-minute range. Now let's see. Like I said before, it doesn't have to go down here, but the bearish is bias, and to do another accumulation would be something. So it's 31 now. This thing's gonna close soon, so honestly, so many red lines on my chart, man. It's kind of annoying. I don't really like it. Okay, got this 4-minute going now. Alright. We haven't seen anyone break above this high yet on any chart. So, oh, yeah, no, you know what? So that's why I'm kind of anticipating for it to be protected as well. Because it doesn't have like a sole reason just yet. Honestly, when was the first S&T law? Right here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade here. I'm gonna wait for price to return back to the OB and see if we can get an entry. Obviously, there's no signs of a bearish reversal right now. But I still want this order block entry because we got the turtle soup at the low, and we want to see an S&T back into here, and then go short from there. If I miss an entry short from here, then you know what, that's okay. Was thinking straight for a second. And I remember every time we get an SMT, price will most likely, not always, but most likely, retrade back into this OB, and it'll be the better entry. So even if I miss it, it's okay. This is the one I want. I want to get precise. I'm not gonna take a trade solely because I want to. Just because I see this OB here, not because I want to. So I'm not going to. I'm gonna kill my bad habits with the Lord, only with the Lord. And we're gonna wait for this OB to get tapped into. And if then and only then I lose, then you know what, that's okay. Because the Lord will be teaching me something. He will be. So yeah, we wait. We wait patiently. Okay. Soon a 20-minute will form, which will be the highest time frame. Unless a 45 minutes made, but we're waiting. So we'll go time frame by time frame. Oh, the 10-minute is next actually. Oh, 12-minute is. Cause yeah, even though we have in this 10-minute here, this is bigger. Yeah, this is bigger. So we'll be playing that. Looks like we got an S&T lows with that 10-minute. I'm not gonna lie. So that's gonna be interesting to see. Yeah, we got the S&T of lows. Like I said, though, I'm not going short until we reach up here. Because this looks like a good turtle soup of these highs. Also, proper S&T of highs. I don't know if ES will go all the way up there or YM, but good. We're gonna have a good S&T right there. And then that'll be, yeah, not short. I'll build these highs into here, distributing lower. That is a trade idea at the moment. Like I said, we're in the 12-minute now. Well, when we come above this high, we are. And then when it hits 40, we'll be looking at the 20-minute. Is there news today? I knew there's CPI, but let's see. Trump speaks today. That's some news. Okay, we peaked above. Now we're at the 12 minute. And we wait until this OB gets hit. We wait patiently. Yeah, usually, man, if I find my chart very cluttered, where I have a bunch of lines everywhere, you might think I have a bunch of lines right now, but it might be an indication that I'm overthinking something or not putting the right thought into it, which I was. Because even if this is right, this right here, that S&T, I know from what the Lord's given me that price likes to retrace into that OB. So that is what we wait for. We're about to be in that 20 minute now. If the 20 minute will last, I'm not too sure, but that's not really the question I'm asking, so it's okay. Alright, we're in that 20 minute now. Next to the 20 minute, this candle still hasn't closed yet. So the 10 minute will probably be our range if price moves fast enough. So like if price just goes it'll most likely end up being 10 minute. Maybe 12, 7 minutes. Price still has to reach up here, so unless it does that in 2 minutes and then goes all the way down and in 1 or 2 minutes, it's not gonna happen. I'm really tired. I don't know why. I had pretty good sleep last night. I did go to bed a bit late. 12:30. Is that even late, man? Like, I got 8 hours, so I don't know what I'm complaining about. Okay, price is going up. Up and away. I want to wait until the 45 minute closes, because then I'll have 15 minutes until 10 o'clock, where price will kind of be like uninterrupted, if that makes sense. I'm gonna hold these two actually. I'm gonna have a high here, and I'll hold high when this thing closes. So price is going down. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like I said, guys, if price does end up distributing down, just what we were anticipating from here, then you know what, that's okay. I'll take my loss, man. I can live with that. I mean, it's not even a loss because I didn't lose any money. So I will take my missed entry. That's it. That is my blessing, honestly. Don't have to risk anything today if that's the case. So we'll see what happens here. Wow, bro, look at that. Look at that. Everything's stumping. I don't think NQ is ready though. Okay, so that was in the range. I mean, a bullish range at least. Oh, a little bounce back. This is the bounce back. This is the bounce back. Yo, Will Smith is funny, bro. Alright, let's put this figure right here. Make it larger. So now we're going to be looking at ranges that go up into here so that we can go short. Let's see what you give me in Q. Show me. Show me what you want to do, NQ. Give me the signs, give me the signs. So this is finally about to close here. After quite a while. So NQ will be officially in a 12-minute. But if ES ends up taking out that low, which it looks like it's what I'll do right now, then that'll set the stage to go higher, or for NQ to fall though. So let's see. Let's see NQ. We can learn from this because since ES is the only one in it in this range, if we see that when it takes it out, NQ follows, then that's a good thing to look at. We got the S&T lows, so if NQ follows, I'm still not gonna take the short, but if it ends up playing out, then maybe that tells me an indication that it's gonna happen. But yeah, sets the stage for this range. Oh, not even a range anymore. This one, I guess, right here. Oh wow, price is right there. Let's see what happens. I'm interested in that. So let's take away this right real quick. And then see what happens here. It's not there yet. Very close. Is this to induce shorts here? So that people get stopped out? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe. Maybe they're trying to induce people in, go short. FVG entry, the ICT. NOB entry, I guess, there. So, that could be the case. Could be wrong, but even so, still gonna wait for that OB, man. Still gonna wait. If the premium was enough, then you know what, the premium was enough, but that's not the entry I'm taking. Hold up. I do wanna wait, did YM take out that low? Ooh, YM did, so I'm waiting to see price take that low. Since RTY and YM are kind of in the dumps right now, I want to make sure they don't take out this low, because this low might affect me. Boom, we're good. Now we have our information displayed for us. And now we wait. Man. Yeah, price might be going for that low now. Yep. So let's see. I'm still not gonna take a short. Unless it's from here. This also help us learn, because let's say price does distributing, we know that since YM was in the same range, that 2 hour range, and hadn't rebalanced it, since it didn't return to the OB and ended up rebalancing it after the S&T with ES and RTY, then we can assume that NQ may do the same thing. But since I don't know if that's true, I'm still gonna wait for here. Because I don't know if it's true. That's just a theory I have in my head right now, but doesn't mean it's right. So today we will see, and we can journal later as well. So that will show us. It's only about 17 more minutes for me to take a trade, and if nothing happens over here, then I'm gonna just be off. Price is moving kind of quick up here, but we'll see. We'll see. So this 20-minute by default has already gotten rebalanced, so I'm going to take it away, and I am going to wait to see what range comes above here. What will it be? Honestly, nah, that'll be 1 hour. Yeah, because there was no swing high. They got taken out. Could be a 30-minute, depending on how fast price decides to go up or not. Yeah, I might not even get handled in entry, so I'm gonna wait. We're gonna chill, we're gonna wait. I mean, also from ES, you can kind of see, because here, it was down here when it happened. We got that. I don't know. I have to check, but I'm still waiting. We can journal that later. That theory I was talking about. So I'm not gonna worry about that. Think about it later. Just gonna wait, see if I get my entry or not. Which might not be the case. Only have 15 minutes. And usually entries take a little bit longer than that to form, especially because of where we are right now. Doesn't look like I'll be trading. For some reason I have this urge to, but you know, we're gonna follow through with good habits, so we're not gonna do any BS. No BS for me today. Honestly, it looks like I might end up going down, bro, and not retrading back to the OB. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take my headset off, and I'll be back. I'm gonna just lay down for a bit, see if it ends up happening. Alright, so price is high key moving. So I'm back. Only have 11 minutes to have a trade entry if it decides to form. So I don't have to. Like, I don't even have high hopes, bro. Like, I'm just waiting, bro. Even if you don't take a trade, I'll post this video. I felt like it was good. Wow. Price had quite the switcheroo going on. It's 10 o'clock now. Alright, we're back and price just moved at 10 and now we are waiting. Wow, that was something. 12-minute, no, can't be that. 10-minute, that can't be that. 6-minute, 4-minute, okay. So I'm very interested to see what happens now. We're in a premium already, so we don't have to go up here. Just waiting to see what happens. 2 minutes by the form right here. 3-minute, there's 1 more minute. So be waiting for this low to get taken out. And I'm not gonna enter off of that. I'm gonna enter off this one low. I'm gonna try and get a retracement into the OB. So right here. And this looks good to me. I like that. Because 3R, what does 3R look like? 3R looks good. I like that a lot. Because I am gonna be targeting there. So that's what I'll be doing. We're gonna try and enter at the 0.25 right there. Hold up, we have to see if this 1 hour stays. So this line right here is basically the 1 hour, and it's only on NQ. So never mind. I will literally just be entering. Yeah, I'll enter there. I'll be entering there. Boom. Boom. Price is moving. Nice. Okay. So here's what I'll do. If price gets to here and doesn't go below here, then I'll enter up here. If not, then I'll wait for here and then try to get filled there. Because the fact is, until we make like a what's it called, in stone order block, since that 1 hour is still pretty open, it's gonna allow us to just consolidate for a while. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. And I'll enter above this high, honestly. If it ends up going down now. I only have 6 minutes for an entry. So, let's see what happens. No, we're in 4 minute now. No, 6 minutes. 6 minute almost as well. 10 minute. Okay. 6 minute. Okay. 5 minute. Okay, we're in a 5 minute right now. What is this? Oh, never mind. That's not a 5 minute. Is this the same low? Yep, not in a 4 minute either. So yeah, we gotta wait. I'm gonna wait. Even if that means I don't trade. Because like I said, this could just be consolidation. Price just tapped back into the OB. Having a little reaction off of it. Let's see what happens. I only have 4 minutes. I don't think we're gonna end up trading. Yeah, because I don't know the nature of this 1 hour just yet. Because what could be the case is that price just consolidates for a whole 1 hour, or it'll come down into here and then give us that. So I'm gonna wait, like I said. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be trading today. I'm gonna do it just below 1.25. I just got interrupted, my bad. I'm okay to that, don't worry. Looks like no trade for us, guys. Entry didn't form within our time window, which is okay. We'll look later. That is something we'll definitely do. We'll look later. I'm gonna leave this thing here because I want to see if it plays out after our accepted time window, but that's all good. So it's 10:10. I'm off. No trade today, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.